Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the mirror cube. Here I have a scrambled mirror cube. It may look pretty intimidating after you have scrambled the cube, but here's a secret. It solves exactly like a normal 3x3 puzzle cube. The only difference is that instead of colors, we are matching shapes and sizes. By the end of this video, you will see how simple it really is. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to solve a mirror cube using one of the 3x3 beginners methods, which only require two algorithms, namely the right algorithm, U, R, U prime, R prime, and the left algorithm, U prime, L prime, U, L. I had a video tutorial of this method on a 3x3 puzzle cube. Do check it out if you want to first learn more about this beginner's method. For the first step, we will create a cross at the bottom layer. We're going to start by solving the thinnest layer first. And once it is solved, it's going to be your bottom layer. You can tell which edge pieces are the thinnest by looking at its thickness. So this piece seems like one of the 4 thinnest edge pieces because when you place it beside the tallest center piece, you see mostly the stem of the tallest center piece. From here, make sure the edge piece is up on the top layer and match it with its center. Then rotate it down to form part of the cross. Keep repeating this for the remaining 3 edge pieces until you have built a full cross at the bottom. Now that we have the cross, let's complete the first layer by adding in the corners. Keep your cross on the bottom and position a corner piece in its correct slot. If it's on your right, apply the right algorithm, U, R, U prime, R prime. If it's on your left, use the left algorithm, U prime, L prime, U, L. You may need to apply the same algorithm several times before the corner piece fits nicely into its correct position. The trick here is to compare the size of the corner piece with the slot it belongs to. Once it fits, insert it with the right or left algorithm until the bottom layer is fully solved. Alright, here we have a corner piece that belongs to this corner. Hold your puzzle cube in this position, then apply the right algorithm until the corner piece is solved. Do this for the remaining 3 corner pieces and your first layer will be solved. Here comes the trickiest part of the solve, the middle layer. First, move the edge piece you want to place into the top layer and line up with the correct center piece. To identify that it is the correct edge piece, you can do a quick check to make sure that the edge piece is flush with the side center piece and the height is lower than the top center piece. Now check whether the edge needs to go to the left or the right. If it goes to the right, do the right algorithm, then rotate the whole cube clockwise so that the piece is now on your left. Then do a left algorithm. If it needs to go to the left, do the opposite. The key hints here are always align the edge with the correct center piece before you start. Then determine its direction by matching the size of the piece to its slot. For my case, the center edge piece needs to go to the right. So first, I apply the right algorithm. Then, rotate the puzzle cube on the y-axis clockwise. Now the middle edge and corner pieces should be on my left. Thus, apply the left algorithm to solve the middle edge and corner pieces together. Do this for the remaining 3 middle layer edges and your middle layer will be solved. Once the first 2 layers are solved, we are ready to form a cross on the top layer. There are 3 possible cases. First, if you have a dot case, you can hold your puzzle cube in any direction. If it's a line case, hold the line on your puzzle cube horizontally. And if you have a hook case, hold your puzzle cube so it's in a 9 o'clock position. From there, perform F, then the right algorithm, then F prime. Keep repeating until you have the full cross. So for my case here, I have a hook case. Let's apply the algorithm to get the cross. Next, we are going to make the entire top face one flat surface. There are 2 cases here. If you already have one corner piece that matches with the cross, that's called the fish case. Hold the cube so the fish head points to the bottom right corner and then apply the 3x3 move. I'll come back to this 3x3 move shortly. If you don't see a fish, then just choose one of the top corner pieces where its top face can be positioned to point to the bottom right. And apply the 3x3 move until the entire top is flat. Alright, back to the 3x3 move. Here's what you need to do. First, apply the right algorithm 3 times. Then rotate your entire cube clockwise on the y-axis. Then apply the left algorithm 3 times again. Let's apply the 3x3 move for my mirror cube. I have 2 of my corners solved. So I will position like this with one of the unsolved corner piece to be pointed to the bottom right, like so. Then hold the puzzle cube in this position and apply the move. I will repeat the 3x3 move until the top face is solved. So now we have the fish case. Now it's time to place the top corners correctly. Before starting, rotate the top layer and check how many corners are soft so you know which case you are in. Here you will have 3 cases. If no corners are soft, just hold the cube in any way. If 2 adjacent corners are soft like so, hold them at the back. And if all 4 are already soft, you can move on to the next step. Otherwise, you'll need to perform this move: up 2, down 3, up 1, down. What this move means is to do a L prime or up. Then followed by the right algorithm 2 times. Then down or L. Then do the right algorithm 3 times. Lastly, another up or L prime. Then do the right algorithm once. And finally, L. Do this move repeatedly and your corners should be all in place. So I have 2 adjacent corner pieces solved. Let's position them at the back and apply the move. With that, our top 4 corners are solved. The last step is to fix the top 4 edges. Again, 2 cases here. If one edge is already soft, face it towards you, like so. If none are soft, you can hold the cube in any directions. Then apply this 5-5-1-1 move. What you need to do is to apply the right algorithm 5 times, the left algorithm 5 times, right algorithm once, the left algorithm once. That will cycle the edges around until the top is completely soft. Let's apply this move to my case. So I have a case where one of the edges is soft. Therefore, I will hold the soft side to face towards me, then apply the moves. And just like that, you have solved the mirror cube. At first, it feels confusing since you're working with shapes instead of colors, but once you get the hang of it, it's just a 3x3 in disguise. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your cubing friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.